Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to clear YouTube cache on Android phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear YouTube cache on Android phone, first open up the settings on your phone, and after that guys at the bottom of after that guys on this interface scroll down until you can find apps and tap on apps. Again on this interface guys at the top of the screen you can see the app management button available for us. Tap on that app management. And over here you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and search for YouTube and open it guys. And over here on this interface you can see the storage usage option available for us. Just below the data usage, tap on that storage usage, and over here you can find the clear cache button available at the bottom of the list. Tap on that clear cache button and the cache will be cleared from your YouTube on your Android device. And there guys, this is how to clear YouTube cache on Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.